Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of the Vechain. What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Vechain. So guys, the current live price of the Vechain in the market is 0.146619 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Vechain. And furthermore guys, if you talk about the price changes of the Vechain, so now you can see here the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the polling Vechain in the positive, guys. Only guys yesterday changes of the Vechain is negative, and except of the yesterday the latest changes is positive in the market. So everything is going good. You know what, September month it's also a good month for all of you guys. That is a profitable month because, and you know what, that is a beginning of a month, so that's why a lot of coin is now positive. It's time to buy now, guys. It's time to buy a coin in the market. Furthermore guys, if you look the latest price update of the Vechain, so that is the last 3 days price update, and 0.1509 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Vechain in the last 3 days, and positive 3.23% changes is positive in the market, guys. So hope you like this update video of the Vechain. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Vechain. Thanks for watching.